Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your friends list showing on your profile on your PS4. So if you don't want people to see all your friends, what you need to do is go up to the top, go to settings right here, and go to account management. Then go down to privacy settings and wait for this to load. It's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we'll have access to our friends list. So we can go to friends and connections and then go to friends right here. So I have mine set to friends of friends, so just people I know can see it, but anyone cannot. So if you're not associated with one of my friends, you're not able to see that. So that's how I like it, but you can go to friends only or no one. So no one can see your friends list on your profile. So just decide what you want and go to confirm. And then you got friend requests too if you want to turn that off, or followers, etc. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.